Hey everyone, today I want to tell you a simple and powerful story. A story about learning to speak English not by reading grammar books, not by memorizing rules, but by doing something very small, something anyone can do. It all begins with a single sentence. Hello, my name is... Yes, that's the secret. The best way to start speaking English is to talk about yourself. So sit back, relax, and listen carefully. Because in this story, you'll meet someone who discovers how a simple self-introduction can change everything. Part 1. Meeting James. Once upon a time, there was a young man named James. James lived in a small town in Kenya. He loved listening to music, watching movies, and dreaming of traveling the world. But there was one problem. James didn't speak English. Every time he met tourists or saw people speaking English on YouTube, he felt shy. He told himself, "My English is bad, I can't speak like them." One day, his teacher said something that changed his life forever. James, to speak English, you don't need perfect grammar. You just need courage. Start with your name. That night, James stood in front of the mirror and said slowly, "Hello, my name is James, I'm 20 years old. I'm from Kenya. I like music and football." He smiled. It felt strange, but he was speaking English. For the first time, his own English. Part 2. Practicing every day. From that day, James decided to practice every morning. He made it a little game. He would stand up, look at himself in the mirror, and change one small detail each day. Hello, my name is James. I'm 20 years old. I live in Nairobi. Next day, hello, my name is James. I'm 20 years old. I live in Nairobi. I'm a student. Then he added more. I love music and I enjoy dancing. I'm learning English because I want to travel. Each morning, his confidence grew. He didn't worry about mistakes anymore. He focused on speaking. And you know what? When you speak every day, even for 1 minute, your brain starts to believe you can do it. Part 3. The first conversation. One sunny afternoon, James met a tourist at a cafe. The man smiled and said, "Hello." James froze for a second. Then he remembered his practice. He took a deep breath and said, "Hello, my name is James. I'm from Kenya." The tourist smiled. "Oh, nice to meet you, James. I'm Mike. Where are you from exactly?" "I live in Nairobi," said James. "That's great. What do you do?" "I'm a student. I like football and music." They both laughed. It was a short conversation, maybe 1 minute. But for James, it was magic. He realized he could do it. He could speak English. Part 4. Learning through connection. After that day, James started talking to more people, online and in person. He joined a small English club at school. Every meeting began the same way. Hello, my name is... I'm from... I like... At first, it was repetitive, but then everyone began to share more. Hello, my name is Mary. I'm from Nigeria. I love cooking. Hello, my name is Ahmed. I'm from Egypt. I'm a teacher. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm from Brazil. I like reading. Every story was different, but every story began the same. And that's the beauty of learning English. It's not about perfection. It's about connection. Part 5. The message to you. And now, my friend, it's your turn. Yes, you. If you want to learn English, don't wait. Don't say, "I'll start when I'm ready." You're ready now. Start small, like James. Stand in front of the mirror and say, "Hello, my name is your name. I'm your age years old. I'm from your country. I like your hobbies." Say it again tomorrow and the next day. Then try with a friend. Ask them, "What's your name? Where are you from? What do you like?" Little by little, your words will become natural. You won't just be learning English, you'll be living it. So remember, every big journey begins with a single step. And in English, that step begins with 4 little words. Hello, my name is... Thank you for listening, my friend. Now, write your own self-introduction in the comments and keep practicing, because your English story begins today. So, my friend, if you enjoyed this video and you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. And please, write in the comments. I'm ready to learn English through listening. Your comment shows that you're part of our learning community. And trust me, I read every single one. Let's grow together and make English part of our everyday life.